Good day from the Institute of Galatentology. Galatentology is evolving. It now comes with added sick beats. We got gazebos and they're all pros. Get a 3x3 if you're gonna do it solo. Marquees for your parties. Privacy blinds if you're chucking in your car keys. Great weights, foot plates. And if you're putting up a fusion, then you probably need your mates. Sidewalls, we got them all. Same day dispatch, we'll give the sales team a call. We got tents and the proper heavy duty. 12 colours if you like your tents fruity. You don't have to have it in plain though. We can print in any colour of the rainbow. Or even just a picture of your logo. If you want, it's up to you, YOLO. YOLO? That's what the kids are saying nowadays, isn't it? YOLO? I think so. We got gazebos and they're all pros. Use them for your business or use them for your home, yo. Marquees for your parties. Privacy blinds for if you're chucking in your car keys. Iron weights, foot plates. Furniture that you just need to inflate. Them ones come in 1 or 2-seater. If it's cold, then we sell a great heater. Globe lights for the dark nights. LEDs, they're a proper world beater. Folding chairs and folding tables. If you're needing spares, then we do the end gables. We've got some printers in the house that can print stuff to help your branding if your branding isn't good enough. Flags and banners can give it all a big shove. Make a trading space that your customers will love. They will proper love it, I promise. I would. I promise. We got gazebos and they're all pros. You'll have the best one if you do a lot of trade shows. Marquees for your parties. Privacy blinds for if you're chucking in your car keys. Sidewalls, we got them all. Same day dispatch, we'll give the sales team a call. Give them a call. Call Darren and his team on 01709 242454. They're lovely, terribly helpful and friendly. Or you could visit the website if it's out of hours. Galatent.co.uk. The website is friendly too. We're all friendly. Goodbye.